You know it. Thank you for food, like you see, thank you for being so safe, you know much. Don't worry, not doing it. Amen. What you got over there? Don't forget about the food. Come on, baby. What time? 2 o'clock.
What man was that? It was so long ago, it's hard to remember. It had something to do with working the land, raising a family.
Good morning, sweet and beautiful, lovely people. Guys, don't think any higher of yourself more than others. You are no better than nobody else. Please remember that things and people can be replaced, okay? So please do not think more highly of yourself than you ought to, okay? She's right here. She's right here. Good morning, all my beautiful people. Welcome to Tea Time with your host, Sonia. Today is a beautiful day. Today is Saturday, April the 3rd. So guys, get your tea, your coffee, your water, your smoothies, and whatever it is that you like, bring it on in. Let's sip right now. Guys, so what the Bible talks about loving your enemies, guys, right? We all know who our enemies are. You could be sleeping with the enemy. You could be working with the enemy. You could be watching the enemy. Guys, the Bible speaks of loving yourself and loving the enemy as you would love yourself. Even though they are bad and they are demonic, you still have to love them. Guys, and always remember too that people and things can be replaced. This is all just temporary. All the things that we have are temporary. Okay? We're not just striving for temporary fixes. We're trying to strive, or I'm trying to strive. I'm not going to say trying to. I'm striving for excellence and more love and more peace and more joy in my life and my heart. And if people are not receptive of that, that is their problem. Okay, so I want you guys to remember that. If a person is not accepting of you being kind, loving, loyal, and nice, and committed, and doing nice things for people, there's nothing you can do about it. Because remember one thing, you still have to show love for the oppressor, okay? You have to. And like I said, there's a lot of enemy around us every day, whether it's work, whether it's home, whether it's your children, whether it's your spouse, whether it's your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, mother, father, nieces, nephew, it doesn't even matter. They're everywhere. They are everywhere, because you have to remember, until you program your mind away from this world, most of the time you are around people that are like that. They are the enemy, okay? But also remember that people and things can be replaced. Okay, y'all? And for that, we're going to take another sip. I hope you all got something from this message, because find it for yourself. In the Bible, it does speak of loving yourself more than you ought to. You should never do that. We are all the same. Now, you might have got awarded like some money or inheritance from your family, or got a better job position or something like that, because sometimes you kiss tail or you told on somebody, things like that. But those things still don't mean everything. You are still not better and higher than no one else. You are not. It doesn't matter about your job, your car that you drive, the house that you live in. None of that stuff. The money that you have, it does not matter. If you are not a good person, you will not attract good people. And that is the end of the line, okay, y'all? So that is enough for tea time. Hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you took something from this message today. Be blessed, and always remember, love yourself so that you will be able to love others, so that you'll be able to help others, and that you will be able to bless others, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Hold on.
Y'all, is it on there? Is it on me?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all. Welcome to Saturday the 3rd, April 3rd. Outfit of the day. Without my boots. Hold on. Can't forget the boots. Outfit of the day. Y'all, guess what? We're going to a, I was about to say ginger. Head key to the nose. Ooh, a little tight there. We're going to a ginger reveal. Okay, now, outfit of the day. How y'all doing today? Glad you asked. Y'all, he tried to dress like me. I came home and he got on this.
Listen,
Stonewash.
I already was putting this on, so
Great minds think
she
alike.
following me.
Great minds think alike.
Imagine that.
Yeah, imagine it.
Imagine that.
Y'all, hey, what you doing? Back up. Yeah, guys, we're going to a gender reveal, and if I can bring you guys along for any of it, I will do so. And I want to show y'all a couple of things before we head out right quick. If you get out of my way. And he trying to tease my mother about grabbing the cans, calling her bag lady. We're not having that. We're going to see about that when we get over there. And I'll be like, he was calling you bag lady. But I want to show y'all something. You got it? Look. I got this out here. I'm going to spray this. I'm going to spray down. We got the stuff here. And then look at here. We add some pavers here. Can y'all see? All over there. So, you have anything to say?
Nope.
Y'all tell her to put them.
There it is.
Tell her to put.
There it is.
No.
There it is. Hey, there it is. There it is.
Tell her to put.
There it is. Hey. There it is.
Can y'all please let him know to put them cigarettes down? Okay? Tell him to put them cigarettes down.
One time.
I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, he done switched to, look at this. We got Pepsi. He done went from Coke to Pepsi.
It's okay.
Huh?
It's Coke.
Is Coke in there? Oh. So guys, we're on our way to the gender reveal. And like I say, I will show you later. Guys, we're gonna get some new neighbors pretty soon. I hope they're gonna be legit. Oh no, craze. But out the house, my neighbor moved out and they're selling the house, so yeah. We'll see how that goes. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Look. Can you roll the window? Hold on, let me show y'all something. It's locked? Hold on. Is it not now? It's now? I got the child thing on. Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. It's train coming. Oh shoot. Y'all, look. Can y'all see tiny? Can y'all see a tiny house right here? Right there. That's what I like. That's what we're gonna live in.
Yeah, right.
Oh, guys, the train is coming, y'all. I'll turn the camera around. You can see the train coming. Please don't let this be long. Just escape one. Don't take y'all down Marine Lane. Oh man. It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. Where's my girl?
Ain't no girl. What you talking
Man.
about? Away from me?
Man, where's the girl, Mari? I mean, Mari, where the stop? Oh man. Aw.
Kawana, turn around, Kawana.
Have you ever had it? It's a
How long is that thing still? That's why we get the wrong picture. Because you be there for like 20 seconds.
What you studying with?
About 19 seconds in, you like, I'm about to stop smiling. Right. They take the picture to 21. Right.
Hey y'all, we're finally back. So I don't know if y'all seen what my shirt said, but it says Team Girl. And then in the back it says, let me see if I can show y'all. It says Team Boy, Team Healthy, Baby. Baby girl made these t-shirts. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all my abstract art really quick that I created. I think it's pretty. Pretty. And then y'all look who we have here. Say hi, y'all.
Hi.
Tell them how excited you are about the TV. Don't scream.
Happy, excited.
She's so happy. Y'all look at that. Told y'all it was a win-win. But this is what I did with the bottle, y'all. I wanted to make a bigger bottle for dish liquid to be here. And then I'm going to put, once this lotion empties, I'm going to put the lotion on this side so I can eliminate some stuff. And then I'm going to go outside and spray the, I'm going to go spray down the stuff in the backyard. They're sleepy. Come on. You want to help me? Yeah. Pick up this right here, that little black thing. Pick that up. Okay, give it here. Thank you. That's it. Don't y'all go past that grass, okay?
I want to get the grass.
I said don't go past the grass.
I did.
Huh?
I did.
Yep, you can't be in over there. It's too wet. Come up over here. Come back over here. I just told you it's too wet, so come back over here. Okay? But being hard-headed. Don't touch that yet, baby. It's wet. Get up. It's wet. It is wet.
Look at my shoe.
That's why I told you to get from over there. You can't be on, Go back over there and do it on the cement. You can't do that. I just told you that. All right, y'all, here's everything. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, yeah. Plant box up here. That's where the herb's going to go. Here's the other chair. And we're going to put the other stuff right here. Rock garden and the chair. So, yeah. Guys, I'm going to end this video. But these kiddos are out here playing and it's cool outside, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.